Shalom, 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 beautiful people. This is Chevelle in my backyard gardening. And today, I had to take out some plants in my big garden bed here because the cold got to them a couple of weeks ago. And today is such a beautiful day. It's getting in the 70s, so I decided to come out here and relocate a lot of things. And so what I had left in there, I just relocated it here to this grow bag and that grow bag. And what I am doing now is transferring the dirt into this garden bed, my Vigo garden bed, because I want to get all of my beds situated out here before I start bringing my starts out, because I have so many and they're so large, and I think I'm gonna start bringing them out, getting acclimated to the weather, and then I will be able to plant them. And so I have so much going on out here in this yard. I am definitely going to be straightening up for the next few days here. Yeah, I have a broccoli there. I have one growing here. And I don't know what kind of broccoli these are. I have one growing here as well, but I'm not sure the name of these. But I think these are also growing over here. I have several beds of broccoli because I love broccoli in my stir fry. So, yeah. So I'm out this morning trying to do a little something here. My my Brussels sprouts ain't brussing yet because I think I have too many in this bed, but that's okay. Whatever grows, it will grow. And so, yeah, this is what I'm doing today, transferring dirt into these other garden beds, so that way I'll know what to buy and what not to buy, how many bags of compost I need. And also with this cauliflower. Oh, my mind. I need some coffee this morning, you guys. With this cauliflower, I left the top on it during the cold. I never came out here to check on it, and it starts separating, and I think they're going to go into seed, which I don't mind because I can just replant them for next season. I'm not going to try them again because my purple cauliflower, the weather took it out as well. So, yeah, my cabbages are growing. They are folding in now, so I'm excited about that. So I have a lot of things out here to do today, guys, and so I will show you guys as the progress grow and complete, because I am in the process of, look at my onions. They so cute. I'm a hot mess, ain't I? Yeah, so yeah, my onions are onioning. So I'm cool. Yeah. So I have some green stalks to set up. I have so much work to do out here, guys, and I'm just not just now getting it really to the point where I am able to just go ahead and start doing, what I can do because of the weather. So if this is your first time joining me, welcome to the channel. Hit the like button, subscribe to see more. And if you are already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. I love you guys. You guys are the best. And one more thing here. This is my other bed of onions, but nothing happened to them. But one more thing here. These collards are so beautiful. And I am going to come out here and harvest these because I definitely want to taste these Alabama blue collards, they call them. And I'm in Alabama, so yeah. I have so many, I have so much in another location as well that I am going to harvest as well. So yeah, thank you guys for joining me today. I have a lot of work ahead of me. I even had to put down the little hand shovel here and get the big Craftsman because it holds a lot of more soil than that little hand one there. So yeah, so I thought to share that with you guys today. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Shalom, happy garden, and be safe.